Okay, the car is cold. Yeah, just got in, turned it cranked and started, and then immediately turned off on its own and started giving me these faults. So it's cold, except for it's probably 90 degrees. Or whatnot. Wow. Wow, that was weird. Okay, it's never done that before. Okay, so it started, but that was very strange. Let me turn it off and see if it'll start again.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I just turned it off. I said, seemed normal. Seemed normal. Wow. Left tail light defective, right tail light defective. Let's see if they're really defective. Garage. Unfortunate. Can you check the tail lights and see if they're on?
Yeah, they're on.
Blinkers work?
Yeah.
Brake light works? Brake light works? Turn the blinker off.
Oh, okay. That's what it was. Okay. Brake on.
Yeah,
Brake off.
that looks fine. The tail lights. So it's telling me left tail light defective, right tail light defective. All right, well, let's just go do what we're gonna do, see what happens. I just drove about 30 seconds over and parked here, brake on. I'm gonna turn the car off. And put the key back in, put on the brake, crank to it normally. That's the oil change indicator. Okay, so now it does not believe the left tail light and the right tail light are defective.